Hello my dear friends, once again welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see very beautiful diaper cake ideas for baby shower. Please watch my full video till end. You will see very amazing and stunning DIY diaper cake ideas to decorate the place. If your dear one is hosting a baby shower, a diaper cake can be the best gift you can present them. It is a creative way to give diapers to newborn babies by arranging them like a cake. Diaper cakes have become increasingly popular as thoughtful gifts for baby showers. Blending creativity with the realism, they not only serve as a decorative item but also serve as an essential thing for new parents. If you are looking for key pointer, a diaper cake made by rolling or folding diapers can be one of the cutest decorations at a baby shower party. Options like hot air balloon diaper cake, baby cradle diaper cake, and woodland diaper cake are some in-trend choices. For those who don't want to spend a lot on diapers, a small diaper cake with a few ribbons and flowers can do the trick. Also, to personalize the cake according to gender, you can add stuffed animals and colored styrofoam balls. Please watch my full video till end. You will see amazing and very pretty diaper cake ideas. How to make a diaper cake. Listen carefully. Diaper cakes are usually made in two ways, a rolled cake and a folded cake. They can be as small as 2 tires or as large as 5 tires. Collect all the required supplies before starting making your diaper cake. Diaper cakes can be customized to match the party's theme by adding decorations such as ribbons, soft toys, bows, and more. Rolled diaper cake. Here is how you can make a simple rolled diaper cake. You will need 23 baby diapers. You may increase or decrease the number based on the size of the cake you have in mind. Small rubber bands, 1 diaper cake, 1 per diaper. Large rubber bands, 1 per diaper ring. A tall object, a finished tissue roll or a baby lotion bottle. A cake stand on cardboard circle. How to make a roll diaper cake. Roll all the diapers and secure each with small rubber bands. Once you finished rolling all the diapers, place the folded diapers around the tall object. Wrap the larger rubber band around all the diapers. Make another diaper layer on the top of the base layer, but this time reduce the number of diapers. Repeat this until the central object is immersed in the layers. You can use lace fabric or thick ribbon to wrap around the layers of the cake. To bind the cake, start at the back of the cake. Wrap around the layer and secure both the ends with tape or pin. Stick the soft toy on top of the cake and place the ribbons at the different places. You can also stick the booties, washcloths, etc. You may place this cake on a cake stand. I give you a quick tip. Use a metal pizza pan, cake plate or tiered cake stand to make a sturdy base for the diaper cake. I really hope that you will like all the diaper cakes in this video I am going to show you. You will see almost 100 diaper cakes ideas. All diaper cakes are very pretty and very unique. If you have any question or if you have any request, please let me know in comment section. In my next video you will see many other unique and very beautiful craft ideas. These are very easy to make. Please try it at home and let me know how your cake make, and send me a picture on email. I really hope that you're enjoying all the ideas that I am shared with you. In my next video, I will give you many other different craft ideas. I really hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will be back soon with my other different videos. I really hope that all the diaper cakes you really like it, and ideas that I am sharing with you. In my next video you will see many other different ideas related to baby showers and pine cone craft, wood craft, Easter craft, and stone paper painting ideas. Love you so much, guys. Take care of yourself. I will be back soon with my another videos and with my another idea. God bless you. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Please do share my videos as much as you can. God bless you. Allah Hafiz, and be happy. Take care.